In this video, we're going to test the liquid damage resistance of the latest Realme 9i 5G, right now on discount sale. In case you missed how risky the 9i 5G is in other areas of build quality, then you may watch the first durability video. If you're not aware, the Realme 9i 5G has no official water resistance or IP rating for dust and liquid resistance, pretty common on Realme and BBK devices as a means to cost cut. The good news is that most of these devices have done extremely well in our water tests even without IP, with the sole exception of the recent Realme 9 Pro, which had suffered from screen issues and then permanent display damage. Besides that, Realme, like most BBK devices, have done great without much issues such as low audio distortion, headphone icon issue or camera fogging to name a few, even though it does not have a rubber sealant like in Mi devices. So we are already at the light splashing ground and expecting the 9i 5G to go all the way for light submersion. But unfortunately the test had to be cut short since the distorted low audio, a sign of initial liquid damage, is unable to recover quickly. The Realme 9i 5G is one of the few BBK devices not able to reach the last round.